Have you ever wondered how manufacturers overcome the challenges of high-mix, low-volume production? In the world of manufacturing, high-mix, low-volume production refers to the ability to produce a wide variety of products, but in small quantities. While this approach offers the benefit of product diversity, it's not without its hurdles. For starters, long lead times can put a strain on delivery schedules. Then there's the issue of high costs. With smaller production runs, the cost of setup and changeover can significantly contribute to the overall product cost. Moreover, maintaining quality can be a tough task. With so many different products to manage, ensuring consistent quality across the board can be a daunting challenge. Flexibility and efficiency are key in this process. The ability to quickly switch between different product lines and maintain high efficiency levels can be the difference between success and failure. For many years, manufacturers have been battling these challenges with traditional methods. But is there a better way? Output. Traditionally, manufacturers have used methods such as batch processing and manual labor to handle high-mix, low-volume production. While these methods have served their purpose, they come with their own set of challenges. The first is inefficiency. Traditional production methods like batch processing require significant time and resources, especially when dealing with a diverse product mix. Each product type requires a different setup, and setting up machines for each product can be time-consuming. Second, these methods are prone to high error rates. Manual labor, in particular, is susceptible to human error, which can lead to product defects and waste. Moreover, these errors can be costly to rectify, adding to the overall production cost. Third, scalability can be a major issue. As the product mix grows, so does the complexity of the production process. Scaling up production with traditional methods can be a daunting task, often requiring substantial investments in labor and equipment. Enter AI-powered surface mount technology, or SMT. This game-changing solution is designed to address these challenges